Welcome back. Tourism Department has decided to allot shacks to deserving applicants by 28th and 29th September. For South Goa, the allotment will be on 28th September and for North on 29th September. More than 2,000 people have applied for 354 shacks.
Tourism season is set to begin during early winter season. Tourism Department will allot shacks to the deserving parties on 2 consecutive days. Altogether, 2,000 applications were received by the Tourism Department. Friday was the last day of submitting their forms.
Policy प्रमाणे allotment procedure already start जाल्लो आसा. 6 तारखेच्यान forms चे sale start जाल्लो आसा. काल last day आशिल्लो for selling of forms. आनी त्या प्रमाणे आज last day आसा for returning the forms after filling it. And draw of lots has been kept on at 28th and 29th of this month.
In all, 354 shacks will be allotted to the interested parties. Shacks around the disputed areas are excluded from the list.
So we have kept the same numbers as last year. That is, I just can't get the exact numbers, but it's around 354. I think it was last year. But only thing we have done is reduced one shack in Siridao beach. No, at Bamboli beach, because there was some dispute about that land.
Swapnil said that the demands by the shack owners will be considered only after the approval from the CRZ committee.
Arambol and Keri, also the municipality is requesting to allow some shacks at Baina beach. So all that has been forwarded to the CRZ. In case they approve and they give us permission to start those shacks, we will allot them in the second phase.
Our reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Omkar Falari.
The hearing in Keri tiger killing case has commenced in JMFC court at Valpoi. The case was heard on 7th September. Next matter is postponed to the month end. The case has come before the court almost after 5 months as the charge sheet was filed on 15th April.
Some members of Majik community are alleged to have killed a tiger in Keri village. The incident had occurred in February 2009. After media reports, Forest Department acted and detained some members of Majik community. Later this year, on 15th April, Department had filed a charge sheet and named 4 from Majik community and 1 from Gaus community. The case came up for hearing on 7th September. The hearing on the matter is adjourned till the end of this month.
See, here I would like to say that the matter is sub judice, and the court will take its own course to decide about the case. Wherever the case is posted, we will take care. From our side, we will support the matter. That's all.
Okay, but no date has been fixed for the
no, I think one hearing is over, and now they have postponed it. Maybe some other date is coming. I am not readily prepared with the date, but it has come up already once.
These are the charges on the accused in the charge sheet filed by the Forest Department. Illegal weapons used to kill the tiger. Killing of scheduled animal. Destruction of evidence. The case has come up before the court almost after 5 months. The charge sheet was filed on 15th April. There are over 15 witnesses in this case. Accused have been booked under the IPC and Wildlife Protection Act. If the accused are found guilty, then they can be jailed for at least 7 years for killing an endangered animal. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
A 2-day national conference on HR began at Siddharth Goa on Friday. Topics related to HR will be deliberated at the conference. The conference is being organized by Green Tech Foundation.
Eminent professionals from the industry will deliberate on topics such as HR retention, strategies competency mapping, conflict management, remuneration and role of corporate social responsibility. Delegates from various parts of India are participating in the conference. President of Green Tech Foundation, Kamleshwar Saran, mentioned that certain PSUs like the railway recruit people that are not competent and are a liability to the organization.
The one issue that our political leaders, they appoint like several thousand or lakhs of people with their influence. without knowing whether the people are competent enough for the job or not. And they are employed in the PSUs or the government organization like Indian Railways and other companies. So it becomes a liability for the organization because they are not fit for the job they were appointed, but they have the obligation to continue.
One of the speakers from Switzerland, Dr. Katrina Boris, mentioned that outsourcing is required by companies.
I think outsources is a part of the process of globalization. But what you need to be aware of is that companies need to be careful that their intellectual capital doesn't move to the other company, that they still maintain their intellectual capital and that specialize in highly specific aspects that drive value added.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Narvikar.
To lead by taking all the people together is what Fomento Resources believe. Various competitions were held on the occasion of Chauth and prizes were distributed by the company on Thursday.
Fomento Resources held various competitions as a part of Chauth celebration. Prizes to the winners were presented on Thursday at Kudegal Mine. Chairman of Fomento Group, Avdut Timlo, MD of Siddha de Goa, Anju Timlo, Anuj Timlo, Advocate Uday Bhemre, Sarpanch Rama Gaokar, Yogita Naik and others were present for the function.
आणि कशें आमी बरे मनशांक वयर हाडपाचें आनी सगळ्या मनशांक बरे हात दिवन घट्ट दवरपाचें ह्या आमच्या विचारान घट्ट दवरून आमी ही कंपनी मुखार व्हरतले.
Advocate Uday Bhemre said, growth of wisdom is a real development of the state.
ज्या बुद्धीच्या वापरांतल्यान मनशाची उदरगत जायत आयल्या त्या बुद्धीक केळोवप, त्या बुद्धीची वाढ जावपासारखें वातावरण निर्माण करप आणि त्या बुद्धीच्या वाडींतल्यान एक स्पर्धा निर्माण करप हाका एक विशेष महत्व आसा. म्हजे नदरेन ही उदरगत.
Ghumat Aartis were performed by the youth. Anuj Timlo felicitated the participants. Function ended with firework display. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.